Guys, I have recently purchased IVF 25BC4 model from Amazon.com, and so today I am going to show you a quick view how this microwave look like and about its basic operations. So before going to its function, how it's operate, I want to show you what you will get inside the box. You will get one ruler which rotate the plate. You will get one plate, rotating plate, glass plate, and with this you will also get two grilling plates and one tawa, baking tawa. Beside this, you will also get a one manual, which is very easy to operate. You can see there are lots of recipes given inside the manual, and it also shows how to operate this microwave. And it's a very simple to use, and very detailed instructions are given how to use this microwave. Beside this, you will also get a one cooking book where you can get lots of recipes from lots of places from India, and it's a nice book having detailed instructions how to make such great food. So if you are a food lover, this book will help you a lot. So coming to the base operation, how to operate this microwave. First look inside how much you will get space inside this microwave. You can see that I think it was sufficient for a medium sized family. If you have a large family with the members above 6, then I will suggest you to go for a 30-liter microwave because it will not sufficient for a large family having above 6 members. For a medium-sized family, I think it will be sufficient enough to cook food items for 3 to 4 members, or maybe up to 6 members. So coming up to its operations, you can see there are auto cooks menu given here, like if you want to make desserts or beverage, rice dishes, stuff, desi mix. So these are the auto cook menus given, where you do not have to set the timer or select the temperature. It has pre-programmed, where you have to only set what quantity you are inserting into the microwave. After this, you will get a menu pad here, which is called a wait defrost clock. This menu is used for setting the clock and defrosting the food items. For setting the timer, you have to hold this pad for a while until you will get this menu called hour or 24 clock. Default, it will show you a 24 clock hour mode. If you want to change it to a 12-hour mode, you have to click this pad again, and it will go to a 12-hour clock mode. For setting the clock, you can see whatever time it is, and according to it you can set the clock. I am setting it to 10 p.m. For selecting the time, you have to click this pad again, and you can see that the timer has selected. After this, you will get here menus, which is a timer. For selecting the time, you can select whatever time you want according to whatever food items you are cooking. After this, here you can see that there is a menu pad called micro power lever. and this pad is particularly used to select a micro power level. If you click this pad, it will ask you what microwave power you want. Here you will get from 0 to high, and you can select a power according to the food item you are cooking, and the pH high is the higher power level, and you will see that P10 is a lower power. And after selecting the power, you can select the time, like 20, 40, whatever time you want. And after this, just click the pad start, and you can see that the microwave has started. To cancel the program at any time, if you want to just push the microwave, you have to click this stop, and you can see that the program has just pushed. It's not cancelled, but it's just stopped. To again, if you want to resume your program again, just click the start button again, and you can see that the microwave started. If you want to cancel the program, you have to click this pad twice, and you can see that the timer has shown, and your program has been cancelled. Here you can see that there is a pad called grill, microwave plus grill. This pad can be used for either grilling or a combi mode micro plus grill. For solo grilling, you can you have to put this pad, touch it once. It will ask you what time you want. Just select whatever time you want, and just click the start express cooking. You can see that the timer has started and your grilling will be started. To cancel it, touch it twice and your program is cancelled. For going to a micro plus grilling combination cooking, just touch this pad twice, and you can see that it will ask you what microwave power you want to use. You have to just select what timing you want to use, and after that you have to select the time. Then just press this start express cooking and the microwave will start it. Here a pad given to you guys like preheat and convection. This mode is used to just preheat the microwave, like many recipes require you to preheat your microwave. For preheating microwave, or if you only want to use a convection mode, you have to click this pad once, and it will ask you what temperature range you want. Just select the temperature range according to your recipe, and just select the timer according to your recipe, and click the start express cook. Here you will get a micro plus convection combination cooking, where both microwave plus convection, both mode will be operated together simultaneously. So if you want to use this combination, you just have to press this pad once, and it will ask you a desired temperature. Just select the temperature range by touching this pad repeatedly, and then just fix the time at what time you want, and click start express cooking. After this, you will see that there is a steam clean deodorize pad, which is a very unique and very useful function. In steam clean, if you want to clean your microwave, just click this pad once. You can see that there is a timer, there is a prefix timer of 5 minutes where your microwave will started. Before steam cleaning, you have to put a bowl there approximately with the 200 ml of water. It will make this water into a steam, convert into a steam, and you can use this for cleaning the microwave. After this, there is also a function which is called deodorize, which also used for removing the bad smell or stain inside the microwave. To use the deodorize function, you have to press this pad twice and it will go into a deodorize mode. To start the deodorize function, you have to click this start express cooking and it will start it. Out of this, you will get a pad which is called keep warm or fragment, which is used to keep your already cooked recipes. If you don't want to eat it, if you want to eat after some time and you want to do not want that your recipe or food item will be cooled down, you can use this function. Just click this and it has a prefix temperature 50 degrees Celsius, and if you press the start express cook button, you can see that there is a prefix time of 60 minutes, and your food item will be started. Keep warm. Beyond this, you will also see that there is a power save mode given inside this microwave, and this is a very useful function. Like if you don't want to use your microwave for a while, or you don't want to turn off your microwave, just want to hold it. If you click this power save mode, you can see that your microwave does not turn off, but it go into a standby mode. If you want to start this microwave again, you can click any pad of the function you have given there. Just like I have clicked this start express cooking, and you can see that the microwave again started. So this is all about the functions what we have get in this particular model. So I think that it's a basic operation and it's quite easy to use. So I hope you have liked this video, and I hope I help you to see how to operate this microwave. If you like the video,